Once you have finished your album design in Fundy Designer, it is now time to create your album proof. There are two ways of doing this. The first way is much like the old proofer, where you simply select the icon here and click on Create Design Proof. If you are still using the old proofing system, then simply go to the bottom and select Legacy Proofer Export, where this will export the low-res JPEGs commonly used for the previous version of the design proof. For those of you that have noticed, you will see a new logo in the top here. The other way to export for the new design proofer is selecting this and clicking on New Proof. Once you have clicked on New Proof, it will prompt you to give a name for the album design. Once you have done this, simply click OK. And this will bring you into the new Fundy album proofer. As you can see here, it's vastly different and much improved from the old version of the album proofer.